Ministry Academy Part 2 with Major Prophet Angel and Major One, Prophet Pushiri, from the 1st to the 3rd of September 2020, to help all of you who are called by God to learn the basics of ministry, introduction to prophecy, operating in the gifts of the Spirit, operating a successful online ministry, and most importantly, how to rebuild after these perilous times are over. Register now at www.ministryacademy.org for the online sessions on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of September at 7 p.m. BST nightly.